Didn't you want a convertible?
I already have a convertible, man.
Didn't you want a convertible?
I already have a convertible, man.
My doctor said I wasn't cutting up enough carbs. He said I should take a Sawzall at least once a week, shake the shit out of myself. Anyways, let's keep cutting this shit up.
So Frog, we gotta have a conversation here. We gotta fucking get down to business. Now that we've got no more like water or weather protection, where are we gonna store this car?
Does your mom need a car?
She always needs a car.
She's got a Crown convertible right here. It's getting pretty warm out.
But see that? She's got nowhere to store it from the rain though.
Oh, she just has to keep driving. It'll stay dry.
You drive fast enough, it'll dry out.
Just don't stop driving.
Don't stop driving. So we remove all the brakes.
Yes.
Problem solved. We're good to go. Keep cutting. Keep cutting. Don't stop. Keep cutting.
Perfect.
Bye, thanks for leaving. And I'll come back.
There you go. He said jump. It's a cool looking car, man.
Looks a lot better now than it did before.
Just a wee bit. Just a little bit better.
Fucking Mopar.
It's a good way to treat a Dodge.
There you go.
Once you put a paint job on it, she'll be fucking pristine. Perfect.
Turn on the lights on that side.
No? Where do you want your car?
Anywhere's but here.
Anywhere but here.
How's that, Ma?
Good enough for the girls I go with.
Same here.